Yo, 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 what up, YouTube EX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, excuse me right now, I do have a cold, my nose is really stuffy, so you might hear me sniffing and all that stuff like that. So, without further ado, we're going to get to the unboxing of this video. Like I said, I do have a cold, I'm sorry, so let's move this out the way. And let's move this out the way. So, I was holding off on buying this, but I bit the bullet and I got this right here. So if you guys don't know, I actually have the FlyDigi Apex 4. If y'all don't know, that does use HoloFX thumbsticks, removable thumbsticks. You can actually tighten the thumbsticks with the part right there, so it allows you to just tighten it up, loosen it up like that. Same thing on this side. Also does come with a removable faceplate, and it also comes with a tool inside that you can adjust the thumbsticks like that. What I do like about that FlyDigi Apex 4 is that the triggers is actually like a DualSense controller, so it does have like the the tools, like it gets tighter when you fire, so it vibrates. You got that. Then you can also set it up with driving, so it simulates like the gas pedals and the brakes and stuff like that, the gears and all that stuff like that. Also with snipers, you can feel like you pulling it and it feels like a gun. It has different things that you can actually set up on it. That's why I actually kind of like it. So that being said, I just bit the bullet and I just wound up coming and get this one right here. So, and no further ado, let's actually open it up. You already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So, yeah, I kind of like ripped the box by accident. That was literally my fault. The reason why is when I was, sorry, I just dropped it. When I was actually taking it out the bag to put it in my book bag, it got caught on the wall, the brick outside of Best Buy, and it kind of ripped it. I was going to bring it back, but it's just a freaking box. It doesn't really matter. So let's get this open. I kind of like cut off all my damn nails. And this is where I actually ripped the box at, which always happens to me. Yep, just ripped the box. That's why I didn't really care if I ripped the box. Like I said, it was going to rip anyway. So let's get this out. Okay. So I'm debating if I'm going to keep this controller or not. Like I said, I like my FlyDigi controller, and I use my FlyDigi like all the time for my PC gaming and stuff like that. And I do use it on my iPhone. So, okay, this is kind of like out of its place, but it doesn't matter. Okay, we got this. We got the little USB dongle, which I'll probably never use this. I don't use my controllers wirelessly. I always have it plugged in. And no, I'm not a cheater. I just find it better using it wired because the simple fact is less latency. I rather the controller being plugged in over plugged out. The only time I use my controllers unplugged is if I'm using like the PlayStation 5 DualSense controller on my PlayStation 5 or the Xbox. Other than that, when I'm PC gaming, it's always hard connected, less latency. I play with the highest USB Type-C controller I can play with. I don't use USB-A to Type-C. I do USB-C to Type-C. Try to cut out all that latency towards the controller. So here we go right here. So, okay. I don't know how I feel about this. I'm going to have to throw one of my Skull Candy thumbsticks on here, just to let you guys know, because a lot of people ask me, like, why you don't do Control Freaks? Why you do Control Freaks? I'm sorry, but Skull Candy is always the way to go, especially with me. I'm sponsored with them. I will put links in the description so you can get these right here. So this is going to actually go on this one for my high riser. And yeah. So, I'll use my Skull Candies on this one. Got this right here. I don't know. This button right here, this right here. Then you got these right here. I don't know. I'm going to see how I'm going to feel with this. I do love my PlayStation controller. I do like the way how this feels right there. I'm just worrying about if I get too into it, am I going to accidentally hit this? Because I don't use my triggers. I use my thumbs, my bumpers for my gun. So I gotta see. Because to be honest, I could probably use this for my slide and why? I don't know. I'll see. Okay. What else is this? Just paper. Okay. That's weird. What's underneath the box? Okay. We get... I have no idea what this is, but we will find out together. This is... Okay, I believe the side paddles. Okay, I think these are the side paddles. So I guess you put these in to block this off. Okay. Okay. So that's a good thing. I'll have to read up on it. And I'm going to test this out. I'm going to have to download Black Ops 6 and test it out. Because to be honest, I stopped playing Call of Duty with all the damn cheaters and hackers and all that crap. Okay, you got that. And this is the USB-C, I believe. So most likely this is type A to type C. I normally use type C to type C on my computer. Oh, they did give you high risers. Okay, so I don't need to use my skull candies. They give you the extra high riser right there. Okay, so that's Gucci right there. So I don't have to use my skull candies. And they gave you, okay, perfect, the adapter for type C. So type C to type C, it's with this. And it's okay. So that's good for me. And you got the prying too. Okay. So that's good. So I am going to remove that and pop in that high riser since I don't need to use the skull candy thumbsticks. So we got all that right there. As you can tell, I've never actually seen it. I never really watched the unboxing of it. I just watched people use it and I just heard a lot about it. And I just decided to jump in. So as I can see, this is with Corsair. I got to download the program and go from there if I can get this back inside the damn box. Okay. I'm gonna just leave this like that. Okay. And I just dropped one on the floor, guys. I'm just dropping stuff now. So that's everything right there. This. Get that right there. I like that. Like, literally, I like that. That's cool. That's cool. So get this there. Put that right there. This right here. And I'm going to take this and just put that right there. That's the thumbnail right there. Thumbnail. Yeah. What do you think of that? That's how you make your thumbnails. Now you just put your words and stuff like that. If you guys don't know how to make thumbnails, you get it centered out. So let me get it centered in front of my camera because that's where the center spot is right there. Push that up a little bit. There we go. Thumbnail. Boom. Now just throw some words up on here. Probably right about here or here. I could do this like that. Should I do this as the thumbnail like this? Yeah, we should put the hands like that, right? Right? Thumbnail. See, I'm just messing with you guys. All right, guys. This is your boy Easy, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One.